Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Castelo, aka Mr. A.T.A.D. And for today's video, we're going to review this Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére. To be honest with you guys, this is my first Air Jordan shoes in collaboration with A Ma Maniére. But I gotta tell you guys that even though this is my first shoes with A Ma Maniére, I'm actually impressed with these shoes because of the material. So make sure to stay tuned because I'm going to take a deeper look and deeper review of what kind of materials they've actually used on this silhouette. Also, I'm gonna try it on so that you guys can judge whether this shoes is fashionable. But before anything guys, make sure to please subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell button so that you will always be updated on my videos. Then you can also share this to your friends and family who's actually interested in sneakers, because I will be posting more videos like this in the future. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start reviewing this Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére. Let's go and start with the packaging of Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére. It comes with a plastic sleeves which has an A Ma Maniére logo printed all over the plastic cover. After this is the Air Jordan 12 regular box. The front side of the box has a natural cardboard color, and the Air Jordan black logo is visible on the middle. On the side of the box, you will see the information about the shoes. It's a women's size release, Air Jordan 12, and an ordered size 8. Then on the other side of the box, you will see the Air Jordan logo and A Ma Maniére. So let's go ahead and move on and look on the inside of the box. As soon as you open it, you will notice a photo of Michael Jordan during his infamous flu game printed in black and white color. And before we see the shoe itself, you will see this paper of A Ma Maniére wrapped around the shoes. There you go, you can see the details, the logo of A Ma Maniére. Now let's go ahead and check out the shoe and unwrap the paper. And as usual, it comes with the Nike tag. As soon as we flip to the other side of the shoe, you will see the signature tag of A Ma Maniére, which is another great detail of this shoe. There you go. And the Air Jordan logo is also there. The second and third eyelet on the top of the shoe is painted in metallic finish. And we have the A Ma Maniére A logo as well as the Air Jordan logo. The color of the shoelace is white and it's finished in waxy texture. The tongue of the shoe is made of slightly tumbled white leather. On the tongue of the left foot, you will see the A Ma Maniére A logo in metallic finish, while on the right foot is the Jumpman logo. I really like how A Ma Maniére designed these shoes. It's very clean, and the color blocking is also great. While on the midsole and outsole of these shoes has a darker shade of burgundy compared to the burgundy color you'll see on the suede leather. Let's go ahead and move on to the ankle of these shoes. As we can see, there's the A Ma Maniére logo and the Jumpman logo on the top, and you can see the 23 number there. And when you have these shoes on hand, you can definitely tell that it has some luxurious finish to its material, and they really stand out on suede and tumble leather on this Jordan 12. Overall, I'm really satisfied on how this Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére turned out because of its elegant, beautiful finish based on its materials. Now let's go ahead and look at the insole of these shoes. So the color of the sock liner and back of the tongue were actually white and finished in quilted pattern. And right here is a burgundy insole, and if you take a closer look, you will see some pattern of A Ma Maniére A logo all over the padding. And you can also visibly see the Jumpman logo in white color. So as you can see, this is what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing like a burgundy jacket with a black hoodie on the inside, then joggers. And I'm gonna pair this with Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére. 2, 3. Here we go, guys. I'm wearing the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére. As you can see, it looks really good. One suggestion, guys, if you're buying this Air Jordan 12, I would recommend for you going 1 centimeter above your original size. So that's it, guys. This is my entire review for this Air Jordan 12 A Ma Maniére. Let me know what you think about these shoes. Is it beautiful or is it nah? Put your comment on the comment section. I would like to read your reviews and your feedback about this video, about these shoes. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell button. And also please make sure to share it with your friends and your family so that they can subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. See you on my next content.